Okay, so with number 35, the trick with this problem is you are given an investment, and what I like to do is just simply write down, what do I know? I know that I have $6,000 total for my principal that was invested. But that principal is broken up basically into two parts. Okay, I know that. So we know that one part, A, was invested at 6%, and one part B was invested at 4%. This was all for a period, T, of 1 year. Okay. Now, what equation do we need to know to solve this type of problem? We need to know the interest equation, simple interest, which is principal times rate times time. Okay. In this case, the interest was the same on each investment. In other words, the interest earned on part A was the same as the interest earned on part B. Okay. So, what does that mean? That means that we can split this up. So, I could say that the principal, I'm going to put a little A down here, times the rate times the time of 1, and actually, instead of saying just R here, well, I'll leave it that way for now, I guess, is equal to the principal times the rate times the time there. Okay. The difficult part about this is that we don't exactly know what PA and what PB are. Okay. What we do know is that PA plus PB, meaning those are the two principal amounts that equal a total of $6,000. Okay, so what we want to do here is just use symbols in order to solve. So let's just leave 1 as PA. And now think about, well, what would that mean for principal B? Well, principal B is going to equal 6,000 minus the principal of A. Okay, so that's your principal amount for your two different pieces. So if we were to write that out, I'm going to say that the principal of A times 0.06, because we want to change that percentage to a decimal, times 1, okay, is equal to, and now this is where we just solve for that principal of B. So I'm going to say 6,000 minus PA times 0.04 times 1. Okay. And then we simply go ahead and we multiply this out. Okay, so on the left-hand side, I am left with 0.06 times PA. Okay. All of that is going to be equal to 240 minus 0.04A. Okay, and now we're just simply solving. So here I'm going to go ahead and add 0.04A to each side. Oh, and I should say PA. Sorry, PA. Okay. Go ahead and add them up.